I was put in charge of the project to recreate the Green Valencia filter using artificial intelligence. But even the most advanced technology can't understand some things. So I did the only thing I could: pack my bags. I travelled to Valencia to try to understand why artificial intelligence is incapable of capturing such a special shade of green. From the first minute, the experience was eye-opening. I suddenly realised that I wasn't just visiting and admiring those places, I was actually living them. I felt like I was part of it all. Each one of my senses came alive with every step, every second. I soon realised that in Valencia, nature and green spaces aren't just nice pictures seen through digital filters. They are part of the essence of this land and its people. Surprising flavours, rivers full of adventure, and bridges to magical places that reveal the ancient soul of this blessed spot on the Mediterranean. And then I knew Green Valencia isn't merely a colour, it's an emotion, and each person feels it in their own way. Maybe that's why it's impossible to capture, because it's actually Valencia itself which gets under your skin and fills you with excitement.